Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. I hope you're all doing great, and welcome to your daily update on Solana. We have enough to talk about. Yesterday, yesterday Solana went up quite a bit. I mean, technically, we're still in the same range as we were, and we also talked about this. All right, my view on Solana was that we are consolidating, that we're neutral. And technically we still are, but I did tell you that yesterday it looked like Bitcoin was going to be relatively bullish. You can just look this up, right? I mean, if you don't believe me, you can just look this up. It's all in the videos. I never delete videos, so you can see that. But no, I mean, Bitcoin yesterday was actually building up some momentum, which you could have also seen right here. So here you can see Bitcoin last day was building up momentum in the morning already. Solana usually is still a little bit correlated to Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin moves up, Solana moves up as well. And apart from that, I mean, Solana was also building up some momentum here. So it was to be expected that we would get bullish momentum, but the main level to break is between 112 and 117.5 or 115, but it's just the level around $115. And the most important question obviously is can we break through that? And let's do a quick fundamentals checkup. I always do this. I always like to see how Solana is doing in terms of a chain. Total value locked still very high. I mean, the daily transactions and daily active addresses and DEX volumes are decreasing. Not amazing, but also not the end of the world. So fundamentally, I think Solana is a little bit less strong than we were the 25th of December last week. But technically, we're definitely strong. So now the question is can we break out? And that's always difficult to say, right? Because right now, I mean, the momentum is definitely growing, right? The momentum, we have an open interest of about $1.45 billion. The last time Solana actually broke out was the 26th of December. And I deleted something, I'm not sure what. Was the 26th of December, excuse me. And then the open interest was $1.65 billion. So that's still quite far away from where we are right now. And the 29th of December was right here. The open interest was practically the same. So look, it's hard to say. Ultimately, and I've always told you this, I think this will happen. All right, so ultimately, I think Solana will break above 117.5 and 115 and 112.5 and rally up to the next price target at 135. There's a good chance that this happens today as well. However, I have to tell you, which I don't like to tell you because I have a feeling that we're just going to break out and rally up higher. But I have to tell you that I think it's most likely that it will not happen. And that's for the reason that the open interest is high, but it's not high enough. So if this keeps growing, I mean, the situation changes. But the volume in the markets is also lower, which makes me not really trust these moves. So maybe it's just one last take profit moment for big institutional traders and market makers before dumping the price before the ETF. That's a possibility, and that's kind of what I'm afraid of. And then technically, we haven't broken out of that resistance yet. Bitcoin is struggling a bit. So therefore, I have to tell you, I think it's most likely that, sure, we might go a little bit higher to 117 and 115. But it's a possibility that we'll break through. But it's not the most likely scenario. So if that happens, then I was wrong, which there's a good possibility that I'm wrong, but I'm going to assume that we'll stay in this consolidation for now. And those are my thoughts. That's what you'll have to live with. A lot of you will not agree, I think, but yeah, I mean, I try to be objective and realistic, and I think this is the best way to go about it. But those are my thoughts. If you have any questions, let me know. Don't forget to check out my premium and signal group down in the pinned comment in the description. Very valuable, but that's for you. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.